guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together a new foundation by Essence, and this is the Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup. It claims that it has strong matte effect, it is waterproof and also buildable coverage. You can find this foundation in 9 different shades, and I got mine in the shade 40. The shades that you can find are 10, 20, 30 until 90 is the darkest, and this is the first time that Essence has foundations for darker skin tones. Of course, they need more shades. They have also released makeup drops, the lightening and the darkening, and you can mix them in your foundation and make the perfect color for your foundation. In this video, I'm going to use one of the new concealers that they have, the Camouflage Healthy Glow Concealer and the Camouflage Matte Concealer. I will see which one of these will work better for the foundation, and I will use that one. The price of it is €4.45 and we get 30 milliliters of product. Let me know in the comments below if you use Essence foundations and if you have a favorite one. For me, my favorite foundation is the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. This works very nice for me. This gives a glowy finish to my skin, and I want to see how this will be on my dry and sensitive skin because it says it gives a very strong matte effect. And this type of foundations, they don't work very well for my skin type. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new foundation. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Essence released also 3 new primers, and I have done an individual review for all of these. I will have a card here if you want to see the reviews for all of these, and I have also done a wear test so you can see how these work on my dry and sensitive skin. For primer, I will use this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base, and I am using all the time this one in my foundation reviews because I know how it works and it is long lasting on me. It is almost empty and I need to squeeze it very well to get the product out. Okay, I have some. So I'm going to apply it all over my skin. On half of my face, I will use a new sponge by Essence. This is the Makeup and Baking Sponge. This is so cute. And on the other half, I will use this brush by Essence. This is the Makeup Buffer Brush. The packaging is squeezable and we get a dropper, as you can see. It's not a pump. Well, it's not bad. It is very practical too. This is very liquidy and light. Let's see if this is the correct shade. Okay, I think I found my shade, guys. Thumbs up! The scent is exactly the same with the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. It is not very strong, it is mild. It has a chemical scent and it reminds me of soap. So let's see how it is applied with a sponge. Okay, I think I like this sponge. This is how it looks with a light layer of foundation, and it covers a lot of things, guys. It covers a lot of my discoloration, redness, my freckles, some veins that I have on my forehead, and it blends very nice with a sponge. I'm going to apply some on the other side as well. For this foundation, I prefer the sponge instead of the brush. The brush leaves lines on my skin and it doesn't blend the product very well. Also, I think I used more product on this side, which is crazy because bristles are not absorbing foundation, so I don't know why. With a light layer, I think this looks very nice for an everyday makeup look. I'm going to apply a second layer to see if it is buildable. It's not easy to build the foundation with a brush, so I'm going to use my sponge for this side as well. With 2 layers of this foundation, it can cover my redness, my discoloration. Also, we can see that my dark circles are covered. I can still see some pimples that I have here and also some veins that I have that they are still visible. I can say that this is a medium coverage foundation, which is something that I like, and I like that it is very easily buildable with a sponge. With the brush today, it doesn't work for me. Maybe with another brush it will work. As we can see, it started creasing on my forehead. Also, if you touch it, make sure that you will blend it again. Also, it creased in my smile lines that are not very deep. I like how it looks and I don't want to make it heavier on my skin, so I will leave it like this today. This is very lightweight on my skin, also very comfortable. So this is very sticky, it is definitely very glowy. It is not matte like it says, but we will see after I set it with powder. And I will definitely need to set this foundation because it is very sticky and I don't want it to transfer to my clothes. I have applied now a little bit of foundation, and as we can see, the foundation oxidizes, but it becomes more pink instead of darker. And I can see that also on my face, and that's so weird, guys. Now I look a little bit like a ghost, and also a pink white ghost. I'm going to use a matte concealer because it looks like a better shade for my foundation today. And the shade range for the concealer is very weird. For the healthy glow you can find the shades 10 and 20, and for the matte concealer 10, 20 and 30. I think I applied too much concealer, and I will blend it with my sponge. Okay, so the concealer blended very nice. I also like the sponge very much today. It doesn't absorb a lot of product. It is very soft, and I think it is the same material with the previous sponge that they have. This one I didn't like the shape of the sponge, and this one works very well. It works very well for the eyes, for the face. Very nice. So the concealer blended very nice and it is comfortable on my eyes. I don't feel that it is tight or heavy on my under eye area or on my eyelid. Before I set it, I will blend it a little bit on my final lines because it creased, and after that I will apply on top of it the fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours. I have just finished cooking and I am hungry. Let's see what happened with the foundation. Before we start, for the eyes I have used the Beyoutiful eyeshadow palette. I will have a card here if you want to see the review for this too. So guys, let's address the elephant in the room. It says here, strong matte effect. This is glowy. This is not matte. And it was not matte even before I applied powder. I am just a little bit sticky on this area here on my cheekbone, on my forehead, and also on my jaw. I don't mind that my foundation is looking like this after 9 hours. If you buy this for a strong matte effect, this is what happens on dry skin. So I don't know on oily skin. And I have also used a mattifying primer, so keep that in mind if you want to buy this foundation. Everything blended very nice on top of my foundation, and I needed a lot of powder to set it. It was very sticky. It is lightweight on the skin. I just feel that it is a little bit tight on this area here because it was so sticky. I think I applied a lot of powder. The buildable coverage is actually true. My foundation creased just a little bit between my brows and also on my smile line, but it's not very noticeable. You need to get into the mirror to see that, and if you are just speaking to other people, it will not be noticeable. The concealer didn't fully cover my dark circles here because I have some purple undertones, but I'm very surprised that it didn't crease. I don't mind that this looks so shiny after so many hours, but if you want a matte finish, maybe you will not get it with this one, or maybe you should use a different primer. I want to test it again with the mattifying primer that I have already done a review, so I can see how this will work. Most probably this will get in my everyday makeup drawer for next month. Okay, so I think it's time for me to go and eat something. I have cooked chickpeas with potatoes and carrots in a tomato juice. Let me know if you do something similar in your country and what spices you use. I used paprika and I have made it a little bit spicy. We make this food in Greece and Cyprus, so let me know if you also do it in your country. I like the foundation. I don't mind that it is not completely matte. I like the glowy finish that I have. The only thing that I don't like is that it looks greasy on my jaw, but you can just touch up with a tissue, apply a little bit of powder if you need, and ta-da! it's not shiny anymore. Some of the foundation will be removed, so be careful and just lightly tap it on your skin. Okay guys, it's time for me to go and eat something. I am so hungry. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments if you are interested in this foundation, or if you have another favorite foundation, glow boosting, mattifying from the drugstore. Just let me know. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!